Guys, impromptu na lang tayo.
Ay, wag naman. Siyempre, kailangan mag-discuss naman.
Oo nga, match is. So, kailangan ko practice.
Hello guys, welcome to our group and today we're gonna discuss about bicycle.
Oh, bakit ganun tingin mo?
Sabi mo?
Sa bro.
Ako dali.
We, sino ba yung fifth ng buhay mo?
Wala. Sabi niyo, di mo focus na tayo.
Oh, sige.
BT talong is one of the prime examples of a genetically engineered plant. It was inserted here the DNA of Bacillus thuringiensis plus of course the DNA of the plant itself equals to BT toxin. This BT toxin kills the eggplant fruit and shoot borer. It melts the stomachs of the EFSB larvae, thereby killing them. These eggplants are known staples for Southeast Asia. And this plant is known as talong in the Philippines and among the #1 top producers in the country. Now this plant is also prevents cancer, diabetes, and gastrointestinal diseases. The problem with these plants is that the larvae mentioned earlier deposits eggs. As a result, 70% of eggplant production devoured from the larvae attacks.
Okay, so next, Bacillus thuringiensis is also known as BT. So it's a kind of bacterium in soil and it's toxic to specific types of insects, or it's placed inside eggplants by backcrossing. So backcrossing is the process where the offspring is bred with the parent eggplants process. After 4 to 6 of these processes, the offsprings of the eggplants are expected to have BT gene already in BT talong. So the goal of the Philippines in developing the BT talong is to release open pollinated varieties or OPVs of BT talong so that eggplant farmers can save, exchange, and reuse BT talong seeds, because BT talong seeds are considered as better than the normal talong or eggplant seeds. So the Philippines is the first Asian country to commercialize BT talong. The Bureau of Plant Industry, or BPI, of the Department of Agriculture approved the BT talong field trials on September 29, 2009, and these are some of the places where they approved the trials. So Pangasinan, Laguna, Camarines Sur, Iloilo, Leyte, Davao, and North Cotabato. But still, they were waiting for the approval of the National Committee on Biosafety of the Philippines for more trials and experiments before they can reproduce these BT talong seeds. So some related GMOs of BT talong are BT corn, BT soybean, and BT cotton. So the BT corn, the Philippines is the first country to allow the first technological food crop that's commercially planted. And BT corn is resistant to corn borers, just as BT talong is resistant to EFSB. So the Philippines approved the planting of BT corn in 2005.
In the Supreme Court's decision on BT eggplant, from their quote-unquote no consensus for safety, 2013. The field texts, they say, do not provide sufficient eggplant's effect on other insects, aside from their own borers. And they also say that inserting gene disrupts normal genes of plant that may hamper human health. Suffice to say, only real health study performed by Michael is tested on rats as of the moment.
And the study on rats cannot be sufficient to prove that the BT talong seeds are indeed safe to humans or to be eaten by humans. So in the end, BT talong was disapproved by the Supreme Court of the Philippines.